Hey, wear this.
So I know you guys are gonna kill me because I didn't do the Sephora video, but guess what me and Mikey got? KFC. We're gonna friggin' mukbang it. I cannot wait to chew for you guys. Seriously. Alright, so Mikey said he may not want to talk, but I'll just let you guys know. So, if you guys don't know what KFC is, get out from under a rock, alright? It's chicken. So Mikey got this. He'll show you while he's eating, but it's a sandwich, popcorn chicken, french fries. I got mad food here. This is how we eat on a daily basis, so. Alright, so I got extra popcorn chicken, which is really good. Let me. Yeah, look at it. Pashmo. Right. This is my favorite thing in the entire world. The swirl bowl, as my mother calls it. But it's a famous bowl. Yo, this is going to be our... Here, Mike, hold something up. We need a thumbnail. Here. Hold something up, babe. Love it. Okay. So, what you gotta do is put some of these, after you run out of the chicken in here, put some in there. So, I need to tell you, let's keep taking it out. Oh my God, they put 2 famous bowls.
Did they?
That's why it was probably $30.
Yeah, definitely.
Let me see the receipt. It's over there someplace. What are they, dumb? 5, 10, 20. That's why. Retards, literally. Oh, sorry, that's, I'll cut it out. 2 chicken littles, because we ate up the other 2 in the car. They were 2 for $3. So, I'm not done. I'm literally not done. Mikey's little mashed potatoes. Look at how small they are. Yo, bro, if they didn't give us our cookies... They didn't. Pieces of dog. I feel stuff in here. That's yours. They didn't give us our cookies. That's so messed up. Literally so messed up.
You really like the cookies too. It's too bad.
They gave me an extra famous bowl. Like, it makes no sense. It makes no sense. Alright, so you dig into here. Look at this.
I want to watch something.
I'll put something on. Lemon soda.
A lot of food here.
I may still do the Sephora video tonight and put it up like early in the morning. My boy made me work all day, sir. I mean, you're supposed to work all day, but I definitely never do. And he had me driving him around in the city and all this. I worked a 9 to 5 today. Never in my life.
It's good.
It was too much.
I need nothing. Right there, good.
Mike's got the goods in his thing. Look at these. I remember makeup. So good. See now, I'm at the point
Extra.
where you take a little bit of these.
You gotta show it. No. You gotta show them.
Sure, Mikey. Like, come on. Now you got like, because there's mashed potatoes in here. So if you don't know what it is, it starts with mashed potatoes, gravy, a little bit of cheese, Oh no, corn, cheese, and then the popcorn chicken. Guys, oh my gosh. Best thing ever.
It's all right.
$5.
I like real food. She likes fast food.
He wanted to get halal food.
No.
From a cart.
Dominican food. Yes, I wanted Dominican food.
I came up with the Dominican food idea.
And I agreed with it.
And what happened?
You ended up getting KFC like you wanted.
I went to the point at the food, but...
Yeah, this is alright.
Still good.
I feel like that KFC sucks, though.
Can I have the soda?
Yeah.
All KFCs in Brooklyn are horrible.
Literally. I don't even like it.
But
Ugh.
you don't finish your food.
I like real food. Real food. They gave us 2 potato wedges. Yeah. I don't know. These people...
What's up with them today?
These
I'd like
people-
to see on my receipt if I got 2 5 for 5s. What am I saying?
That girl was out of control.
I confused her because chicken littles are 2 for 3, 2 for 6. So I said, can I have one order with 1 Nashville hot, 1 regular? And then I decided I wanted a second one. So I was like, a second one of the same thing. So she goes, oh, wait. So you want 2 Nashville hot? She couldn't understand it. I was like, I'm sorry. I should have just been like 2 regular 2 for 6s. Then another 2 for 6 with 2 Nashville hots. But I wasn't expecting to buy 2 2 for 6s. You get it, guys? Or am I just crazy?
Yeah, pretty crazy.
It's just me, then.
Definitely.
But that's where it started to go wrong. Then it just went downhill from there. I'm so glad we're doing this. Mikey, why don't you put him? He tapped out of eating.
Yeah, definitely.
Not me. Ask them if they like doing this ski trip.
Say it again. If they liked me in the ski trip, I don't see why they wouldn't.
If you guys liked Mikey on the ski trip, comment below. Tell him he's dumb. This is so good. I'm about to be done too, though. Tapping out early. We're sharing a soda. We have 2 separate sodas, by the way.
Too lazy to get up and get it. It's literally right there.
Oh.
Breathe. Breathe.
I feel like I didn't even put it down.
Come.
You're gonna have. You didn't eat anything.
Thumbs down on the KFC.
Look, let's kiss him actually for the thumbnail.
What's it called? A thumbnail?
Thumbnail.
Can I have a napkin, please? Actually, I got it right here.
You guys listen to YNW Melly?
It's Jade's new song.
Me and Mikey found the song Murder on my mind. So good. I usually don't like new rappers. I'm a strong 90s rap, jada-kiss, LX, you know, like that.
Alex. What did you say? Alex?
I said jada-kiss and LX, which is,
Oh, and
Same
Alex.
thing.
I thought you said LX.
anyway. I don't really like new rap. That song is so good. But I heard that he killed someone. Shove that thing in your mouth, babe.
Gross.
Yeah, I'm done. I can't.
Ew.
I need to tap out right now.
Gotta give it to you, babe. Gotta give it to you.
What?
I'm wasting money and wasting food. I'm wasting money on food.
$30.
Terrible.
Down the drain.
Garbage.
I like it.
Nah.
Honestly, their gravy is incomparable.
I would have rather have rotisserie chicken, a little pernil.
We love
rice,
Dominican food.
dark orange rice.
It's right across the street from our KFC, but honestly, I asked Mikey, and then he's like, I'd rather have the other Spanish food, which is by his house. So I was just like, turn in the KFC parking lot, and he did. So he can't blame it on me, which he always does. I'm done. Okay. Oh.
That was a good one.
I'm keeping that in there. Ew. Alright, guys. Well, we're gonna go. I'm gonna watch a little TV. I'm gonna really try to get this Sephora video filmed tonight so I could at least get it up by tomorrow. And then, that's it. We can move forward.
Yeah, you ate a lot.
I did.
You did.
This is... I finished this almost bowl. I left a few of the chicken. Mikey didn't really. He didn't eat anything. He made me buy him so much food and he didn't even eat anything. We ate half of these. I got 4 of these, so we ate 2. I ate 1, he ate 1. And then his thing, he didn't friggin' eat anything in here. So we have a lot of food for later, which is good. But for now, we're done. And I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed our... I can't breathe right now. Acid reflux. KFC mukbang. And I love you, and I'll see you tomorrow.